Hello friends, I am Lineha Junsu. Welcome to my channel that is all about enhancing what you have. Today I'm going to talk about where you can buy your Kbeauty products in Pakistan. Now before I start the video, please ignore my makeup because it has almost been 16 hours since I did my makeup and 99% of it has just evaporated in the air or something, like it's no more on my face. Also, please ignore my voice as well. I am dead tired and I just wanted to make this video. The reason to make this video is because I get asked a lot like where to buy Kbeauty in Pakistan. So I thought that if now anybody is going to ask me this question again, I'm just going to send them the link. Other reason to make this video is because there are many fake Kbeauty products being sold in Pakistani market. So I just wanted to help many of you out there to buy authentic Kbeauty. So yeah, that's my take on it. So all the websites that I'm going to talk about in this video, like I have bought products from them. I've bought products from them. I have tested it. I am not getting paid to talk about these websites. They have not sent me any PR or anything like that. Like, I am not being offered any discounts or anything. Like, whatever I'm going to tell you, that is my opinion. And yeah. So the first website that I'm going to tell you where you can buy your Kbeauty products is Beauchanted. Now I think Beauchanted is my number one for buying Kbeauty in Pakistan. If I have to buy Kbeauty in Pakistan, it would be 99% of the time Beauchanted. Now the reason to buy or prefer Beauchanted is because number one, it is owned by Koreans. Number two, they directly import Kbeauty from Korea. Number three, one of the people there, Mason, is a good friend of mine whom I kind of helped a lot. Like I was always DMing me, these are the market trends in Pakistani market. That's how things work. This is what people prefer here, and stuff like that. They were, they were aware of most of the factors that I was telling them about, but they weren't aware of all of them. So I just helped them. Now, the reason to help them was because I wanted Beauchanted to be released or, to be launched in Pakistan because uh, I wasn't happy the way things were in Pakistan. So I'm just happy that they launched it and I hope that they can grow more. So for me, Beauchanted is best price wise and authenticity wise. Beauchanted is my number one to buy Kbeauty. Now, number two website is Beauty Glance. The reason to prefer Beauty Glance is Beauty Glance has more variety of Kbeauty and J-Beauty as well. So Beauchanted is relatively new, so they do not have much variety. So if you're looking for more variety and authenticity, then Beauty Glance is your go-to website. Also, Beauty Glance are official retailers of a few of the Korean brands as well. So whatever you're going to buy there, just know that it is going to be authentic. Number third one is Aodour.pk. Now they do also have this shop in Emporium Mall Lahore. I've bought from their shop directly, not from their website, and all the products again that I've bought were authentic, like as they were from Beauchanted and Beauty Glance as well. So the products at Aodour are authentic as well. Also, I think Aodour also has American and other products as well. So you guys can check it out. I will also link all these websites in my description box below as well. Apart from Aodour.pk, another good website is the Skin Masquerade. Okay, I think that's how you pronounce it. So they are authentic as well. They have huge variety of Kbeauty, but most of the time they're out of stock on few of the things. Whatever I have bought from them, like it was good, but a few of my friends had some issues with their after sale service. Like I as such problem with it. But I think the Skin Masquerade is also an authentic website in Pakistan. Last but not the least, another authentic website in Pakistan is Korean mega store Bell. Now, this is being run by a Pakistani who is residing in Korea, and they have this little business in Lahore. They also have authentic beauty products, but comparatively, this website is quite expensive. Other websites are have lower prices, and when they're on sale, you get good deals. But with this website, uh, it's not that much of a case. Plus, Beauty Clans and Skin Masquerade, like most of the time, they have really good sales going on. So, it really helps. So, Beauchanted is relatively new, but I think they will be having some sales as well. And Aodour also has a sales, but it's not they don't have that much active sales as compared to other websites. So I hope that this video was helpful for all of you. I will also be talking about other websites like where you can buy your Kbeauty internationally as well. Oh yes, before I end the video, I also want to tell you guys that I am having this monthly giveaway on my YouTube channel. It's just my way of saying thank you to you guys for always sticking around and watching my content. To enter the giveaway, you just have to comment under my video, any video, and every month I'm selecting one comment and we're sending them gifts. And the giveaway is open worldwide, and you do not need to worry. We will be shipping where you are, so just comment and do not forget to like and share my videos as well. Also subscribe, so you will have more chances to win. Also, a better chance to win is by doing lots of comments, because I will be selecting one comment. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye bye. I'm really sleepy. Bye.